original TMNT line that we had April O'Neil, which came out a year after the other ones came out, so it's a bit more up to date, but still old. And we got the Turtle one, which is an exclusive Michelangelo figure. Instead of having a happy face, he's got a grumpy face and has no nunchucks. First up, we're going to look at April, who's got a microphone in hand to channel 6 news. Making sure there's no stand and no personal, so she should be alright. So she's got ginger hair, she's got a yellow suit. She's ready, holding her microphone, ready to perform the news. Time to get the most expensive one from the set open, the turtle one. I need to be very careful with this, because it's number size in the top right set. I need to be very careful. As you can see with the old pop ride, you can actually take out the pop. And he's holding a bit of pizza, this one. So that's cool. Now I need to carefully get out the turtle one. Maybe try that. Here we go. Got it nice and open. So there's a little hole in the turtle one, and there's a hole in Mikey's sheet. And if you time it right, you can stick it in. And obviously I can't do it, so I'm going to leave it like this. He's got the guns in the turtle one, the turtle logo on this one, got the windows, and it looks like the absolute classic set. And Mikey's enjoying some pizza while driving, which is totally safe. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out the TMNT playlist for the source 2 parts. And who knows, there might be a part 4 coming really soon. Turtle power!